Good day, future leaders! This is your Humes girly, Clara Lady Delae. So I have something to tell you. I'm gonna be turning 18 next week. So as you can see, I am wearing my uniform and I have here my pullover. So today is our second day of regular class. So exciting! I really miss UCSP. So before going to school, I'm gonna tell you something about my family. Yeah, so I really want to show them to you and film them, but now walang asa sila. My mother is busy, my father also, and my older sister is working, and my other sister is studying. So I'm gonna show you their photos na lang, so makita niyo sila. So this is my mom. She's really hard-working woman, as in. And also, this is my dad. We're not really that close, pero I'm a daddy's girl natin. Yun. And this is my older sister, panganay namin. She's also a hard-working woman, and she provided things to us, pero hindi naman sometimes natin. And this is my sister then. We're not really that close, but she's pretty, and they are really important to me. And I really value them the most of the time. So may nagtanong about sa community ko. By the way, I am living here in Barangay Santa Ana, and okay lang naman. Ako, natutuwa kong mag-segregate ng mga trashes namin. Like, itatapon talaga sa tamang basurahan. Kasi dito, girl, no. Maraming tambak na basura dito sa amin. So ako, and my family also, are really responsible for that.